students, I am Miss Hiteshi and I'll be teaching you maths. We'll be having a lot of fun this year. Be ready with your files, notebook, sharpened pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Hello kiddos. Earlier we have learned to write number names from 0 to 5. Today we are going to learn number names from 6 to 10. So are you all ready? Open page number 5. Which number is this? It's number 6. How do we write number 6? S-I-X. Speak with me. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. Now we will start writing. S-I-X. 6. Write properly. S-I-X. 6. Have you written? Let's move to our next number. Which number is this? Number 7. How do we write number 7? Show me number 7 on your fingers. Like this. So how do we write number 7? S-E-V-E-N. How do we write number 7? S-E-V-E-N. Let's write now. S-E-V-E-N. Number 7. Number 7. Have we written? Let's move to our next number. Which number is this? Number 8. How do we write number 8? Spell it out for me. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Show me 8 fingers. Like this. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Let's write it now. E. Speak with me. I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Let's move to our next number. Which number is this? Number 9. Show me number 9 on your fingers. Like this. How do we spell it? N-I-N-E. Spell it with me. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Let's write it down. N-I-N-E. 9. Now it's turn for our last number. Which number is this? 10. Excellent. How do we write 10? T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. Let's write it down. T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. Have you written till here? I'm waiting for you. Complete fast. Make sure you write it dark and neatly. Have you written? Okay, let's move forward. Now what we have to do? We have to write the number names from 6 to 10 again. Let's go. Which number is this? 6. How do we write 6? S-I-X. 6. Let's write it down. S-I-X. Oh, I've done it wrong. I'll use an eraser. Then I write it again. S-I-X, 6. Let's move forward. Which number is this? It's 7. Which number? 7. Let's write number 7. How do we write number 7? Tell me. S-E-V-E-N. Number 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Have you written? Excellent. Now it's time for our next number. Which number is this? 8. Show me on your fingers. 8. Let's write number 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Now, let's move forward to our next number. Which number is this? It's number 9. Show me 9 fingers. 9. Let's move forward to write 9. How do we write 9? N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Let us write our last number. Which number is this? Number 10. T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. Have you written? Excellent. Now we know how to write numbers from 6 to 10 also. Awesome. Now come to the next page. Which page number? Page number 6. Open your page number 6. Excellent. Now, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn today small numbers. Do you know what are small numbers? No. I'll teach you today what are small numbers. Are you ready? Get ready with your pencils. Hold them properly and sharpen them properly. And let's go. First of all, take a blank sheet of your maths notebook. Take a blank sheet of your maths notebook and hold your pencils, and we have to write numbers from 0 to 9. Are you ready? Let's go. What are we going to write? First, 0. 0. Then we'll write 1. What comes after 1? 2. Have you written till 2? What comes after 2? 3. Have you written till 3? Excellent. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 3? 4. And what comes after 4? 5. Show me on your fingers. 5. Have you written till 5? I'm waiting for you. Now what comes after 5? 6. Very good. And after 6, it's 7. What comes after 7? 8. And the last one is 9. Very good. Now we are ready to solve our activity. First of all, look at the first row. We'll see which is the smallest number out of these numbers. So let us see first two numbers over here. Read for me 1 and 4. So tell me which number is smaller, 1 or 4? I'll teach you. Count with me 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, 1 is above than 4. So 1 is smaller. So in both of these numbers, 1 is smaller than 4. Have you got it? I'll explain you again. Let us see 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is smaller? 1, because it is above 4. Now let us see between these two numbers, 1 and 0. So tell me which is smaller? Let us count first. 0, 1. So 0 comes above 1. 0 comes above 1. Hence 0 is smaller than 1. Have you got it? Excellent. Let us see 0 and 9. Which is smaller? 0 and 9. Which is smaller? Tell me. Let us count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is very below than 0. 0 is above than 9. So 0 is smaller than 9. Let us compare 0 with 3. What we are going to do? We are going to compare 0 with 3. Let us see which is smaller. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 is above than 3. Are you all seeing? 0 is above than 3. So 0 is smaller than 3. We can see 0 is smaller than all of these numbers collectively. So we'll circle number 0. Wow, we have done the first row of the exercise. Isn't it exciting? Let's move to our second row. Now you're going to tell me, okay? Speak with me. 2 and 5. Which is smaller? 2 and 5. Which is smaller? Let's see. This table is a magic table. It will help you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, are you seeing? 2 is above 5. 2 is above 5. So 2 is the smaller one. 2 is the smaller one. Let us move to our second number. 2 and 1. Which is smaller? 2 or 1? Let us see. 1, 2. As you can see, 1 is just above 2. So 1 is smaller than 2. Now let us compare 1 and 0. Are you ready? 1 and 0. We can see 0, 1. So 0 is smaller than 1. Why? Because 0 is above than 1. Are you all getting? So 0 is smaller. Now we will compare 0 with 7. Let us count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is way below than 0. 0 is above than 7. So 0 is smaller in the second row. So we encircle the number 0. Till here you can see 0 is the smallest number in the second row. Which number? The smallest number. Have you all done? Are you ready for the third row? I know you can solve it. Excellent. Let us compare with what numbers do we have to compare? 6 and 3. Are you ready? Let's go. 6 and 3. Now count with me. We'll start with the number 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is above than 6? 3. 3 is above than 6. So 3 is the smaller number. So we'll hold 3. Okay. Now we'll check 3 with 2. Okay. Are you ready? 0, 1, 2, 3. Now you can see 2 is above than 3. Yes. Then 2 is the smaller number. 2 is the smaller number. We will compare 2 with 5. Which number? 2 with 5. Are you all ready? Count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is above than 5. 2 is above than 5. 2 is above than 5. So 2 is smaller than 5. Okay. Now let us compare 2 with 1. Last number. 2 with 1. Let us see which is smaller. 1, 2. What can you see over here? 1 is above than 2. Isn't it? 1 is above than 2. So we'll encircle the number 1. Because it is smaller than all of these numbers over here. Are you getting me? Excellent. Let's come to our next row. Are you all ready? Very good. And this magic table will help you a lot. Let us come to our first two numbers. 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 is, yes, 2 is above than 7. So 2 is smaller than 7. 2 is smaller than 7. Now we will compare 2 with 8. Which number? 2 with 8. We'll check if 2 is smaller than 8. Okay? Let's check. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 2 is very much above than 8. So we will, what can we say? We can say 2 is smaller than 8. 2 is smaller than 8. Let us compare 2 with 4. Okay. Are you ready? 2 with 4. Count with me. 2, 3, 4. So 2 is above than 4. 2 is above than 4. So 2 is smaller than 4. Now it's turn for the last number. Which is the last number? Number 6. So 2 and 6. Let's see which is smaller. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can see 2 comes above than 6. 2 comes above than 6. So 2 is smaller than 6. So out of all of these numbers, 2 is the smallest one. 2 is the smallest one. So what are we going to do? We are going to encircle number 2. Let's come to the next row. Are you ready? Are you ready? Speak loudly. Yes. Let's come to the next row. 0 and 9. We are going to compare 0 with 9. Let us see which comes first. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 0 is way above than 9. 0 is way above than 9. So 0 is smaller than 9. 0 is smaller than 9. Let us move to the next number. 0 and 3. Let us see. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is above than 3. 0 is above than 3. So 0 is smaller than 3. Are you all getting it now? Excellent. Which is the next number? Tell me fast. It's 2. 0 and 2. We'll compare 0 with 2. Let us count. 0, 1, 2. What can you see over here? Is 0 above than 2? Yes. Very good. 0 is above than 2. So 0 is smaller than 2. 0 is smaller than 2. Let us move. Which is the last number? It's number 5. We'll check 0 and number 5. Are you ready? Let's come to a magic table. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What can you see? 0 is above than 5. 0 is above than 5. So 0 is smaller than 5. We can see 0 is smaller than all of these numbers. So 0 is the smallest of all of these numbers. We'll encircle number 0. We'll encircle number 0. Have you all done? I'm waiting for you. Complete it fast. Excellent. Now come to the last row. Last row. What are the first two numbers? 6 and 3. What are the first two numbers? 6 and 3. Let us move to a magic table. It will help you a lot. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 is above than 6. 3 is above than 6. So 3 is smaller than 6. 3 is smaller than 6. Let's move to our next number. 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Let us see. Count with me. 2, 3. So 2 is above than 3. 2 is above than 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. 2 is smaller than 3. Now which is the next number? Speak loudly. Number 5. We'll compare 2 with number 5. Let us see. 2, 3, 4, 5. So which is above? 2 or 5? You can clearly see 2 is above than 5. 2 is above than 5. So 2 is smaller than 5. 2 is smaller than 5. Now we will come to the last number. Which number is this? Number 1. We'll compare 2 with number 1. Let us see. 1, 2. So 1 is above than 2. So 1 is the smaller number. So 1 is the smaller number. We can see 1 is smaller than all of these numbers. 1 is smaller than all of these numbers. So number 1 is the smallest. So we will encircle number 1 because it's the smallest number. Have you all enjoyed the activity? Don't forget this magic table. It will help you a lot. So, have you done? Very good.